Hey Tech Army, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Tech Timing. So guys, in this amazing episode, we're going to discuss the 5 most underrated accessories for a gaming PC in 2022. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. So keep up with me to the end, comment right below this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and turn on the post notification for more videos. The best accessories will complement your gaming setup, improving its overall aesthetic while not being a huge burden on your wallet. This video will list some accessories that not many people use but are a vast improvement to a gaming setup. Overlooked gaming accessories that will improve your quality of life. Number 1. UPS. A power surge is unpredictable and unexpected, which can disastrously fry all of your components. The best device to give extra protection to your precious components is a UPS uninterruptible power supply that will guard your PC against power outages and surges. Even though modern PSUs have built-in surge protection, they cannot save your PC from shutting down and possibly corrupting your data, even if all your components are protected. Another advantage of connecting your PC through a UPS is that you have time to save your work in case of a power outage and protect your data from being corrupted. UPS will give you at least 2 to 3 minutes to save your work and safely shut down your PC before it runs out of battery backup, which is plenty of time. Although it's a hefty device, it's worth buying and can be kept hidden from sight to keep the aesthetic of your setup. Number 2. Zip ties. Zip ties are cheap and effective. For as cheap as $10, a pack of 100 reusable zip ties can be bought to help organize cables and help make your setup look neat. Cable management is an essential aspect of a gaming setup, and anyone who wants their area to stay looking clean must implement it. There are various types of zip ties: Velcro, releasable, beaded, pull tight, and tear off. They can also be used inside the PC as they don't take up too much space and are effective in holding together all types of cables. Outside the PC, zip ties can be coupled with other cable management accessories to hide all of the visible wires. Number 3. Powered USB hub. Usually there are multiple peripherals connected to the PC, and it's common to run out of USB ports. There are about 6 ports in the back of the PC and 2 more on the front I/O, which is not always sufficient. A powered USB hub does not take power from the PC's PSU. Instead, it connects to a wall socket and is externally powered while connected to your PC via USB. A powered USB hub adds up to 10 USB 3.0 ports and can be stuck under a desk with a double-sided adhesive for easy access. It makes things convenient, and you never have to worry about running out of USB ports. Number 4. Extended mousepad. Having one mousepad for your whole desk is luxurious and convenient. An extended mousepad gives you plenty of space to move your mouse around and not run out of surface of the mousepad. Having a soft surface that helps keep all your components, including your headset, keyboard, monitor, speakers, and controllers, protects them and the surface of your desk by avoiding unnecessary scratches. Users can get a customized mousepad that will change the whole aesthetic of your setup. There are even RGB versions of the extended mousepads, which can complement your setup. Most mousepads are also washable, so if they get dirty, they can be cleaned using a damp cloth. Number 5. Headphone stand. If you need to save some space on your desktop, getting a headphone stand is a great way of doing that. The headphone stand is one of the most underutilized accessories that houses the device that's used by everyone throughout the day. It helps organize the workplace and is super affordable. There are RGB versions of headphone stands as well if you need to have every component to have beaming out of the light. The headphone stand can also be tucked under the desk, making it a headphone hanger and further saving space on your desktop. So guys, that's all for today's video. Share as much as you can, as it really motivates us to create more content for you guys. With that, we end our video. Hope you liked the video.